Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So each year there are so many candidates who are preparing for the CAT examination. So every one of them are aiming to take the admission in one of the top business school. But if you scored less marks in your CAT examination, that if your percentile ranges in between 75 to 80 percentile, so with this video you will get to know the list of 10 colleges that you can consider with. Now coming to the very first college, that is IBS Hyderabad. सो IBS हैदराबाद की एक सेपरेट एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन होती है दैट इज़ IBSAT एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्कोर इन दैट एग्जामिनेशन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दैट कॉलेज. बट इवन अगर आपने कैट एग्जामिनेशन दी है एंड आपका जो परसेंटाइल है इफ़ इट इज़ रेंजेस इन बिटवीन 75 परसेंटाइल टू 80 परसेंटाइल देन यू कैन कंसिडर दिस कॉलेज. दिस कॉलेज प्रोवाइड्स यू MBA in 5 specializations. First is finance, second is marketing, third is HR, fourth is operations and fifth is IT and systems. If we talk about the placement of this college, then from the last year placement records, almost 80 to 85% candidates was placed from this college, and the average salary package from this college was 10 lakhs per annum, and the fees for the 2 years of MBA course is 16 lakhs. So from the last year placement records, the highest salary package from this college was 21 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the second college is XIME Bangalore, that is Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship Bangalore. This college provides 2 years of PGDM course in the specializations like first is finance, second is HR, third is marketing, fourth is IT and analytics, fifth is production and operations, and sixth one will be general management. So this college accepts the score of entrance examinations like XAT, CAT, CMAT, MAT, ATMA and GMAT. So अगर आपने इनमें से कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन दी है तो ऑन दैट बेसिस यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस कॉलेज. और अगर आपके कैट के परसेंटाइल 75 परसेंटाइल और अबव दैट है देन ऑल्सो यू कैन कंसिडर दिस कॉलेज. The average salary package through this college was 9 lakhs per annum and the fees was 11.5 lakhs for the 2 years of course. From the last year placement records, the highest salary package from this college was 18 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the third college is IMT Nagpur. So this college will provide you 2 years of PGDM course. In PGDM, they provide you the first is general PGDM, that is post graduation diploma in management program, second PGDM in finance, and third is PGDM in marketing. So this college accepts the score of CAT and XAT examination for their admission process. So if you have 75 percentile or above marks in the CAT examination, then you can consider this college. Average salary package from this college was 6 lakhs per annum and the fees for 2 years of course is 12 lakh rupees. So from the last year data, the highest salary package through this college was 14 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the fourth college is ISBR Bangalore. So if you have a CAT score ranging in between 70 to 75 percentile, then you should definitely consider this college. This college accepts the score of NMAT, MAT, XAT, CAT, CMAT and GMAT for their admission process. ISBR Business School offers the PGDM in the specializations like FinTech, Financial Services, Product Management, Data Science and Business Analytics and Healthcare Management. It also offers the conventional specializations like HR, Finance, Marketing, Information Science, Retail, Travel and Tourism, Operations and Supply Chain Management. Here in this college, you can pursue the dual specializations as well. Average salary package from this college was 8 lakhs per annum and the fees for the 2 years of course is 10 lakhs rupees. And the highest package from this college was 18 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the fifth college is Jaipuriya College, Lucknow. So if you have a CAT score ranging in between 70 to 75 percentile, then you can consider this college. The average salary package from this college was 7 lakhs per annum, but top 20% gets the average salary package of 11 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the sixth college is NDIM Delhi. This is not much popular college, but as it is located in Delhi, so there are so many companies who visit this college for the placements. But in case of low CAT percentile, you can consider this college. The average salary package from this college was 7 lakhs per annum. Especially if you want to complete your MBA from retail, sales and marketing, then you should definitely consider this college. Now coming to the 7th college is Christ Bangalore. So this is also one of the good college you can consider with low CAT percentile. The average salary package through this college was 6 lakhs per annum and top 20% candidates get the annual package up to rupees 10 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the 8th college is GD Goenka Gurgaon. So for this college you need to appear for the separate entrance examination, that is SAT exam, and evaluation is done on the basis of your interview and academics. With the low CAT score you can consider this college. The average salary package through this college was 5 lakhs per annum and the fees for the 2 years of course is 3.5 lakhs rupees. From the last year data, the highest salary package from this college was 10 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the 9th college is Amity Noida. So for this there is a separate entrance examination, but this college accept the CAT score also for their admission process. The average salary package from this college was 5 lakhs per annum and the fees for the 2 years of course it ranges in between 5 lakhs to 45 lakhs depending on the specialization and the course. Around 80% of the candidates was placed from the last year data and the highest salary package from this college was 10 lakhs per annum. Now coming to the 10th college is Wellinger Mumbai. So this is the another good college you can consider with low CAT percentile. इस कॉलेज का अगर प्लेसमेंट की अगर हम बात करें सो अभी तक का इसका जो प्लेसमेंट था दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड प्लेसमेंट, बट नाउ अ डेज उन्होंने जो बैच साइज है दैट हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो भी वहाँ पे कंपनीज आती थी वो तो आती ही हैं, बट ड्यू टू द इंक्रीज बैच साइज वहाँ पे कुछ स्टार्टअप कंपनीज आ रही हैं विच आर डायरेक्टली अफेक्टिंग द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट्स. Still, with the 75 percentile CAT score, this is one of the option you can consider with. The average salary package from this college was 8 lakhs per annum, but if you are in top 20%, then you can get a package of 12 lakhs per annum from this college. So this is the list of top 10 colleges you can consider with if you have a CAT percentile ranges in between 70 to 80 percentile. अगर आपको इसमें कुछ डाउट्स क्वेरीज है देन यू कैन लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. डू लाइक द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.